Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to check serial number for your headphones JBL TUNE 770. Basically we have two options how to check it. So the first one is to use an application. You need to open JBL Headphones app. Of course, your headphone should be connected with the app, and then it will open for you the headphones menu. If you are in the main menu, just tap at the headphones. Now you need to scroll down, and at the bottom we have support line. Tap at this line, and right here we have serial number. So this one is your first option to check it. The second one is to find this information at your headphones. So it's located at the left ear cup. Right here on the side we have how can I show it to you? So okay, right here we have it, and this one is the same number as in the application. So this one is your second option. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!